I wanted to share with you another type of yarn that I've recently used. This is the Colorina silhouette yarn. This is a light DK weight, as you can see right here. And again, this is 80% acrylic and 20% wool. This is a beautiful yarn that is, again, it's a lighter weight yarn. Comes in another beautiful color changing scheme. As you can see, I'm going to click through some of these pictures so that you can see kind of some of the color options available and how gorgeous that is. Currently, it is showing that most of these are sold out. However, I'm going to click on a couple just so you can kind of see them up close and how beautiful they are, and I am sure that they will have those back in stock here really soon. This is actually the color that I used, and it is a very, very lovely kind of a neutrals with browns and creams that kind of fade and come and go. The price on this is $6.30 per ball of yarn. And again, the more you purchase over here, as you can see, the more you purchase, the cheaper the price gets. So make sure you kind of check into what your project is and what the yardage is that you're going to need. These are smaller. They only come in about 218 yards per skein or per ball of yarn. Again, this is, it'll tell you a little bit about the yarn. I always like to look at the patterns that have been used with it so you can kind of see what it looks like. In the scarf, you can kind of see how pretty those color changes are. And then the photo gallery, again, shows you other people's projects made with that yarn. I really enjoyed working with this yarn, and I will show you some of the stitches that I used.
Today I'm going to talk to you guys about this beautiful yarn that I've recently received. This is the Colorina yarn by Hobbii. This is a self-striping yarn, as you can see. It has a beautiful fade from creams to light browns to a darker brown and then back. I love working with self-striping yarns. It can really create a very interesting look and different designs. This yarn is 80% acrylic and 20% wool. Although it has wool in it, this is a very, very soft yarn. It has a very beautiful feel to it and beautiful weave within the fibers. This yarn is a DK weight yarn, it's actually very close to a sport weight. So as you're designing, I would be cautious if the pattern calls for a regular or a heavy worsted weight yarn. This is definitely a finer weight. I have been playing with some stitches with it, and as you can see, you can kind of see the self-striping look within this stitch pattern here. So there's no really sharp color changes. Like I said, it's kind of a natural fade in and out, and the colors just look very beautiful together. It comes in many different shades, as you can see in the last screen where I was showing you the website. It comes in many different colors that will hopefully be back in stock very soon. So make sure you check the links below. I have a link to the Hobbii website. They have some beautiful yarns that I've been really happy and have enjoyed working with. And also in the link below will be a link to this new pattern that will be coming very soon. So again, check these out. And if you've made something with the Colorina Hobbii yarn, let me know in the comments below. Have a wonderful day.